Hi! In front of me is Oppo A1 and today I would like to show you how you can manage auto rotation. First of all, go into Tab menu and look for Auto Rotate icon. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now blue. That means that auto rotation is disabled, but you can always enable it by hitting the same icon again. You can also go into Devices Settings, scroll down just a bit and choose Display and Brightness. Lastly, scroll all the way down and click on this sweater next to Auto Rotate feature to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!